Can you imagine a world where fleets automatically identify maintenance needs and schedule their own repair services? With Ridecell's fleet automation and mobility solution, Fleet Insights become actions that help resolve vehicle issues immediately and automatically. We know keeping your vehicles roadworthy is a top priority, but what happens when a malfunction indicator light turns on? With fleet automation, vehicle health can be monitored before a driver's shift even starts. Check engine lights are deciphered and appropriate repairs are scheduled, all automatically. As an added bonus, your drivers can be issued digital access rights to the backup vehicle, all over the air automatically, so they never miss a moment of their scheduled drive time. This is just one example of how automation puts your fleet data to work. Interested in building a self-managing fleet? Visit ridecell.com for more information.